Hey everyone, today we are gonna put my bottle boat to the test with a 100-meter endurance challenge. In the last video, the boat worked like a charm, but that only proved that the power system was running. Now I wanna see if this tiny RC battery can actually push the boat across the river and then bring it safely back. This right here is the 2S LiPo pack with a capacity of only 2.22 watt-hours. It's super small, and honestly, I had no idea if it's got enough juice for a full 100 meters. And here's the river we are challenging today. It's about 15 meters wide. It doesn't sound like much, but for this little boat, that's a long way. And let's find out if it can hit the far side and make it back. For the first run, I decided to keep the safety line attached. I wasn't sure if the boat could make it back under its own power. Plus, it was windy, and the water was nowhere near as calm as usual. Once the boat hit the water, oh man, I could tell something was off. The wind kept pushing it to the left, and the safety line formed this big arc. Even on the transmitter, I could feel the boat getting dragged sideways. And the worst part, there was a big buoy up ahead. If the line wrapped around that, game over. I tried steering it right, but it was tough. Thankfully, the boat kept crawling forward and finally got close to the far side. There were some weeds along the shore, so I aimed for them. I wanted the boat to actually touch land and really count as making it. I was a little worried the weeds might tangle the paddles. But luckily they didn't. Eventually the boat stopped, and I'm pretty sure it touched a bank. Then I spun it around to head back. At that point, I had no clue how much battery was left. The safety line was invisible too. Would it make it back? No idea. So I just scanned the throttle and went full speed. And to my surprise, the return was smooth. Looks like this tiny 2S pack really can handle a full 100-meter round trip. On day 2, I ditched the safety line completely and went for a true untethered run. The water was way calmer than first day, and everything went perfectly. The boat touched the far bank, turned around, and cruised back with no issues. So from now on, I think this little bottle boat is officially done with safety lines. So that's my very first 100-meter endurance challenge. It might look simple, but for me, it was a huge deal. I finally proved this tiny 2S battery is enough to power my bottle boat across the river and back. And that's a wrap for this challenge. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.